Landing a job with no formal work experience can feel daunting, but it's definitely achievable. The key is to showcase your skills and potential through a well crafted resume that highlights relevant achievements. Start with a strong skills section. List both hard skills and soft skills. Quantify your skills whenever possible. Instead of just saying proficient in Excel, say proficient in Excel used to manage and analyze datasets up to 500 entries, resulting in a 15% improvement in data accuracy. Your education section should be detailed, including GPA, relevant coursework, and any academic honors or award. Don't underestimate the value of volunteer work and academic projects. These experiences demonstrate initiative, commitment, and the application of skills. Describe your roles and responsibilities, highlighting quantifiable results whenever possible. Pursuing skill certifications can significantly boost your resume. Certifications in specific software, programming languages, or other relevant fields show initiative and validate your skills. Finally, weave your soft skills throughout your resume, using action verbs to demonstrate how you apply them in academic projects or volunteer work. By strategically showcasing your skills, education, and experiences, even without formal employment, you can create a compelling resume that grabs the attention of potential employers and positions you as a strong candidate.